Hey everyone. So hi, I'm Isa. I'm a variety streamer on Twitch. I'm addicted to HoYoverse games, and I'm also an artist. My model is self-drawn and self-rigged. And yeah, so what I'm gonna show you on this video is how to set up a bot on to do your check-ins on HoYoLab automatically every day, so you don't have to touch the site anymore, it'll just do it for you. And yeah, so I guess we can just go right into it. So first, what you need is, first need a HoYoLab account, of course, and you want it to be linked to all 3 of your games. Otherwise you'll have to do 3 scripts, 1 for each game. And then the next thing you need is a Google account, of course. We're going to be hosting the script on Google Scripts. And you'll also need the code that we're going to be using. I'm going to be providing the link in the video description. And it's open source, so you can verify what the code does if you want. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first you want to go to the Google Scripts homepage and start a new project. And you should see something like this. You can just delete everything here. And the next thing you want to do is go to the Github repo that I have posted. When you go to the link, you should see something like this. Just click script.js and then click this copy button. And then you can just paste it into here. And now you want to start by changing this to whatever name you want to be you want shown for this bot. So I'll just name it this, and I'll check in for all 3 games for this demo. So now we want to actually configure this to do what we want to do. So we'll go to HoYoLab, and then you want to open the developer console. On Google Chrome, you just press F12. And then now what you want to do is make sure it's recording. So if this is white, you want to click it so it's red on this dot, and then just refresh the page. And you should see a lot of stuff here. So what we want to do is look for anything with this icon and just scroll through them until you see something with the cookie tab. And this is the information that we need. So if you go into the script, you'll see that there's 4 different version 1, version 2 IDs. And every account will only have either version 1 or version 2, you don't need both. So here, we want to copy in the information that we're looking for. So first we have LTU ID. Mine is a V2, so I'll copy it into here. And then next, we have L token and L token V2. So I have an L token V2 here. So we'll copy this and paste it in. And then next we have account ID or account ID V2. So we'll just grab this as well. And you want to make sure that you're copying it into the right one. So if it's version 1, you copy it into version 1. And if it's version 2, you copy it into version 2. And our last one is account MID version 2, version 1 or version 2. So we just paste that in. And that's it for setting up your logins. So now, you want to also select which games you want to do the check-in for. If there's any game you don't want to do a check-in for, you just set this to false. So if we don't want HI3, for example, we just set that to false like this. And now the last step is you want to set up Discord notifications if you want to be notified whenever this runs. If you don't care about notifications, you can just set this to false. but I'll show you guys how to set it up. So I have a demo server and a demo channel set up. You just want to click on the edit channel for the demo channel. Go to integrations, go to webhooks, and create a webhook. And this will create SpideyBot or whatever. And now you want to click onto it, copy the webhook URL, and then you just paste that in here. And that's it. That's all you need to do to set it up. So first, we want to save the project. Next. We want to try running the log function first, so click here and set it to log and run to make sure the code's working. If it asks you for permissions, you want to make sure you enable it. So this is just making sure you have permission to use the script to connect to the internet. And alright, as you can see, it ran. It's printing out. You should see exactly this happen when you print out the log function. So now that we know this is working, we can actually do a proper test run. So you want to set this to main and do another test run. And then once this is done, you want to go to the Discord. And as you can see, I've already done my check-ins, so it's showing check-in already completed. So now, the last step is you want to set this up to run automatically. So you want to go here to the sidebar, you want to go to triggers. You want to click create a new trigger. So now here, you want to select main, you want to select head, time driven, hour timer, I mean a specific, you want to set this to day timer specifically, otherwise this will run, so this is how often you want it to run, and we want to run it daily. So you set it to day timer, and you select what time you want it to automatically run. And so here, you typically want to set it up to before you log in every day. And this will run anytime within this hour range. So let's say if we want to run it, it's 2:38 p.m. If we want to run it next hour every day at this time, we'd select 3 to 4 p.m. And then you just click save. And you might need to allow this again. Your pop-up blocker might block it, so make sure if you have a pop-up blocked, you have to open it up and allow this Google script to run that again, like I just did. And that's it. Now the bot's set up, and all you have to do is just wait for this time every day and it'll run the script. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Hey, so this is post-production Isa. I forgot, once you're finished setting everything up, you gotta go back and actually save the project again. So just click the code icon, which is the 2 carrots here. And then once you're there, just hit Control S or click the save icon again, and then after that you're set. If y'all want to follow me, you can either subscribe to me on YouTube here, or you can follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/shimizuisa. I'll have that linked in the description below as well. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone.